Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best and easiest video editor for beginners using Linux computers. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, what you need to do is you need to open the software center, which comes preloaded with every Linux computer. So right now I'm using a Ubuntu operating system, so your operating system might be different but the tricks will remain the same. So just open the software center. So in my case it's a Ubuntu software, in your case it might be different name. So just open the software center and here just search for one application name as PTB. As you can see, PTB. So you can see here install, but I have already installed it, so I'm not going to click on install. So if you have not installed it before, then click on install to download and install it firstly. So after installing, just open or launch the respective software. So if you don't find, then you can just go to show applications, and under the show applications just search for PTB, as you can see, and just select it and open this application. Now you can see its user interface, right? So on the left top corner you can see here a new, just click on it. Now it will show you the user interface of this video editor. So you can see here it's almost simple, nothing much complex. So you can see on the left panel, here you can import or drag and drop your video files, audio files, whatever, and here you can create tons of layers and it will be displayed here every thumbnails. And here you can see some options like the tile clip, that is I will discuss later on what uses of this options. And even you can see some options, transitions, and on the right side you can see some buttons. So I will explain it one by one. So first let us import. You can just drag and drop also, so let me click on import. Even you can just drag and drop the video and audio files also. So let me click on import. So I'll just select a video. Now you can do just drag here to add in the thumbnail. Now you can see here I have a video and audio part on this video clip, right? So firstly let us discuss about, suppose say you want to separate the video and the audio part separately. So just select it, just select the complete part. Now on the right side you can see a tons of options. The first options is a split. So if you want to split from here, then you can just click on this scissor like shape. When you click on it, it will get separated on the area where you have put the moving straight line. As you can see, if I keep here, then if I click on here, it will just cut the respective portions. So let me undo it. So now you want to separate the video and the audio part. So you can see here, just select the file, and now you can see here it's given ungroup clips. Just click on it. Now your video and audio is totally different. So you can see, let me move it. You can now completely delete one part. Say you don't need a audio, then just select the audio and just click on delete. Now your audio part will get deleted. Or if you don't want the video part, then you can just select the video part and you can just click on delete, or you can select here also, this one is a delete option. So I'll just click on undo again to bring it back. So you can, now what about how to create a title, right? So for creating a title, you can see here on the up, create a title clip. When you click on it, a text box will appear. So you can see here, just let us drag this one and we'll just keep on the starting of the video. Now let us try to check by playing it. So you can see we have tried playing this title. So if you want to edit the title, just place the red straight line and just select the title box, and you can see here a box. Just scroll down below and you can see here title clip. Just put whatever you want to give a name. Say I want to give a name files, just for reference. And even in the below you can change the fonts depending upon what kind of style or the fonts you like to use on your respective introductions or any video tiles. So you can see below also you can just increase and decrease the font size also depending upon what you like. And once you're done, you just click on select, then it will get select. And even you can see the color of the fonts, you can just select colors, you can set, or even you can add more colors. And even you can add a transparency also by clicking on here. You can add a transparent or any color depending upon what you like. So this is about the tiles. And even using this same clip, you can add text notations also, any part of the video. Say if you want to add in the within the video, then just drag the audio or the clip file, then it will be directly placed within the video portion. So this is all about the text that you can add or remove any text from your video. So let me undo this portion again. Now suppose you want to edit the audio portion, right? So let us go back and just ungroup this clip again. And now here you can see after selecting the audio, you can see one yellow line, straight line, right? So if you want to increase, just drag this portion, then your audio volume will get increased. And if you want to decrease the audio volume, then you can just drag it down to decrease the audio volume of your respective video clips. So this is all about the increasing and decreasing of the audio clips of your respective video files. So on the above, let's see about the video portion. So suppose say you want to fast forward in some sections, right, of the video part. So for this, what you need to do, here you can see on the left hand side on the top, effect library, right? Just select this, and here just type one name, red. Now you can see on the first list red adjuster, right? So select it and just drag it on the video portion. You've selected the video portion, right? Just scroll down. Now you can see your red effect. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see here red effect, right? So you can increase how much red effect you want. You can just click on the red effect. So you can see the portion is decreasing. That means it's speeding fast. So if you select the enter video file, then it will completely fast forward the enter video file. So if you just need some sections, or if you want to just fast forward in some part of your video, then what you need to do for this, just select the area. Say from here you want to fast forward, then just click on this cut or split, and now you can manually increase the rate of this file. Say I want to increase it more, then you can just type it. If you want to type, say if you type 3 and hit enter, so you can fast forward the video file. So let's try to play this some portion. So you can see the movement, it's very fast, right? So in this way you can fast forward the video files using this options red adjuster. So I have now shown about how to increase and decrease the audio files, even how to split the video and audio files, and even how to fast forward the video files. So using this same option, rate adjuster, you can just decrease the rate to just do a slow motion. You can just click on the minus to decrease the slow motion. You can just go it to 0.1 or 0.01 depending upon what you like to make it in the slow motion mode. So for fast forwarding and slow movements or the slow motions, you can just use this rate adjuster to increase or decrease the speed of your video file. Now you might be thinking about how I can zoom the video part. So say you want to zoom some video part. Say I'll just select the split part of the video. So first you split the video from where you want to just zoom out and zoom in. So you can see your 3 squares separate like in the video preview, right? You can just increase the size also, and you can just move it anywhere wherever you like. So say I want to maximize this area, then you can just bring it here. And on the left panel also there is some numericals that you can increase or decrease. So you can see here, you can just scale the size of the x-axis and y-axis. Then you can just scale the size by increasing here also, as you can see, or you can just drag. If you just want to do it a quicker way, then you can just drag it as per your needs. So there is 2 ways. You can just drag also to increase or decrease the zooming and zoom out effects of respective video portions. So this is all about zooming the video or zooming out the video. So this is all about the basic needs. Now once your all video editing or every portion of your video editing files has been completed, then now finally you want to save your file respectively, right? So for this you can see on the up render, right? Just click on here. Now here you will get some presets like YouTube. When you click on YouTube, it will show you only 2 options, right? So don't worry, you can see your 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it. You can just click on new also to create of your size, and you can adjust the quality also. If you need a high quality, just increase this and select the high quality. And now below you can see options, add punch, right? Just click on it. Now here you will get tons of options more. So you can see scale. If you want to change the scale of your video files, and even below you can change the frame rate size, how much frame rate you want. So I will just keep it as it is. And even you can change the codecs. You can see JPG image and X264 ENC and code and unsupported. Also you can see a lot of options are here. So I'll just keep it as default. So I'll highly suggest just keep it as default everything, and just select the YouTube. That will create the MP4 file for you. So once you are done, you can see below your file part. So where the file will get saved, you can change the file location also, and even you can give a name also. So just let me give a name. So I'll just put it as a test. And once your every settings is done, you can click on render. Now it will start rendering. So you need to wait for some seconds or minutes until the complete rendering gets complete. So wait for some minutes. So finally our video file exporting has been completed successfully. So if you go to the folder, you can see our video file which we have just exported right now. So using this method, you can easily edit any video files in your Linux computer very easily. So if you don't have a much knowledge about video editing in your Linux computers, then This is one of the best and easiest video editor for most of the beginners out there who has not used a video editor or who likes using a simplest video editor. Then definitely you should try this cool applications. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.